Hi guys, this is Agam from the Digital Pro. I am again back with this amazing video. In this video, I will teach you how to create free website for your business. Don't worry if you don't have website, you can create this Google My Business website without any hosting. So this is how like Google My Business website look like. I will teach you one by one each element of that. So this is my Google My Business dashboard. That's a free tool by Google. So on the left side we have an option of the website. So if you see this, my website is live right now. So I have made it live, though I have a my client's original website, but through this I'm providing a backlink to my client's website. So the first option we have is themes. So you can select around, like we have around 9 to 10 themes from where you can select the theme for your website. So you can't get all the different colors or the custom themes, but you can select the most similar theme according to your original website. So my client's website is a green and blue, so I have selected this theme. When you're done, you select it, make sure you press this right button, that means it's saved. So next is edit. So here we can select primary button. Like my primary button here is, you can see in the middle, it's make appointment. So there we have different options like call now, contact us, get direction, get code, message us on WhatsApp. So different, but I have selected a make appointment. Here we have to fill our appointment link. Then comes the text, Alini Cleaning Services Brampton. So see, this is my business. My client's business name is Alini Cleaning Service, but Brampton I have added to have some prominence or local authority for proximity. So that's my keyword, Cleaning Services Brampton. That's why I added my location, Brampton, to have prominence in this area. So then a little description about business. We provide commercial and house cleaning services, Brampton. Again, I'm focusing on my keyword, Brampton cleaning house cleaning service in Brampton, Ontario, and across GTA. So this is how I have written small description. Then after we have a summary header. So like we have about us, all that post, we get a summary header. Before that we have this our header photo of our website, then updates that we create any post on Google My Business. For Google My Business, that all posts are shown here itself. So all the CTA buttons are also paired in this website. Now comes our testimonial. Like we can have all, but now come our testimonial. What all testimonials we have, it also displayed in our website. It's on you. So if client want to write a website, then can write from here, write a review or read more if you have more reviews. Then this comes a summary header. This is cleaning service Brampton is our summary header. You can write about us, about Alini cleaning services, whatever you, but this here I have used my keyword. So cleaning services Brampton, this is my keyword, so that's why I've used this. Then our summary body, where we write our all matter. You can write whatever you want to write, like about us, our mission, vision, our services, whatever you want to write. So here I have written our services. So these are the different services we provide, like office cleaning, house cleaning, restaurant cleaning, warehouse cleaning, that's all. So when you go for this, see a blue one, that's anchor text. So I have made the backlink for my money site from here. If anyone clicks on office cleaning, they will be taken to their money website. So let me show you how. So this is how it looked like, office cleaning. When anyone clicks on this, it's taking them to main service page on their money side. So yes, so then come house cleaning, same I have that like that only. So you will see network issue, no worries. So then I have written connect with us, like to give a Google social signals, that's our Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I already have Facebook and Twitter, I just want to give them the Instagram signal to Google. So if you see this knowledge panel of my client, so it's already there, Facebook and Twitter. So I just want to have Instagram, so I just inserted the Instagram today only. Then I have click here for the map to connect it with my CID. So this is click here link. See, there's a different pages: office, business, cleaning, house cleaning. That take my users from main site. If they want to read more, want to book appointment, they can go directly to my money site also. So this is the directions map I have added here. So this is how creative you can be to create your website. Then have photos, we can see. So before doing this, so that you are sure that your changes are made, just have a write. So now it's all saved. Now you can move further. This is the photos. If you want to add photos directly to your website, you can add it from here also. Then this is the important. So here we have a lot of features that we need to discuss. If you want to change your site, you will not get the custom name for your domain. For free website, Google will write business.site at end of your domain. Your domain will be your business name plus business.site. If you want to change your website's name, like if you want to have some keywords, you can update site name. It's totally on you, but sometimes it's not recommended. Just go for the Alini cleaning services, it's best. Some people use keywords, but I prefer to have a business name only. Buy custom domain. If you want to have a custom domain, if you want to buy from Google or third party, you can buy this custom domain and link with your website. This saves your hosting money. So unpublished website, right now it's my published. If you want to unpublish, you can unpublish from here if you don't want to make it live. And this is important, Google search and maps. If you read this, it says currently your website is different from this site. Yes, because my client have a website, so that's why I have mentioned is money site. So if you want to change to this back, again use the update listing to use this website instead. So you can use this to have your client's main website. So here are some tips for getting customers promoted with Google Ads. We don't want. If you want to change the language of your website, you can change it from here. If English, European, French, Hindi, whatever you want, you can change it from here only. So these are the main elements we should know. From here also we can edit. That's up with the pencil logo, we can change it from here. So website tips, let's see what the website tips are. Share with your friends. Like to get the link of this, we can click share website and we can copy it from here. So this is your website's link, you can use it. So this is how your website is looking like. So these are the menu: updates, testimonial, about us, gallery, contact. So this is good time being. If you don't have this, is a good website for your business. See, address, it shows everything. Call now, address, business app. That's amazing. Then yeah, these are the main things you can have. See, these are the providing the backlinks. So it shows you how many people visited your website till now. It's a 64. So this is how you can create your website, and then you can publish, make it live. So it's pretty easy. Just create your website. If you find this content amazing and valuable, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are a new user, subscribe it so that you get the notification from my channel, and I will be sharing this type of amazing content to grow your business. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video with amazing tips and tricks.